In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily delete your Quora account permanently. So first up, open up Quora. Once you do that, click on your profile right over here and then click on the settings option. Once you do that, click on the privacy option and then scroll down until you find the delete or deactivate your account option. Select the delete account option. So it's going to ask you to enter your password in order to continue. Once you've entered your password, click on the done option. It's going to ask you once more if you really want to delete your Quora account. Easily select the delete option. And that's how you can easily delete your account on Quora. So as you can see, I've successfully deleted my account on Quora. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.